Hi guys, welcome back in another video. So in this video, we are going to implement a modal component. So first we will read the description. So you are tasked with implementing a reusable modal component in React. The modal should be rendered using create portal and displayed the children pass to it. Okay, so we have to create a modal component and inside that we have to pass our children and we have to show inside the modal. And let's read the requirements. Create a React component named modal that renders a modal using create portal. Okay. Second thing, the modal component should accept the following props: show, handle height, children. Okay. The modal should appear above all other content on the page and have a backdrop that covers the entire viewport. All right. So we have to create a overlay for this. The fourth one is when the modal is displayed, show is true, it should render the children pass to it. So you can stop the video and you can read the requirements and the description of this. So let's start from app.jsx. So what I will do, uh, first I will clean the code. And okay, so when the model is displayed, we have to show is true and it should render the children pass to it. So first we will handle the app.js. What all the things are required, we are going to write first. Then we will create the modal and in the last we will use create portal. So we will understand what issues we face. Then we have to use the create portal. So we will understand the why we use create portal. So first here I will write show set so and I will make it false. Yeah. Now here just make I'm creating a simple div. So for styling I'm just using a style component here. So just you can also install npm I style component. So this is my simple div and here if I will do so first I will write some kind of not this one h1 uh, modal component, just I'm giving some random css, uh, not css, I just give button. Inside that button, on click, some handle click function will here, and const handle click uh, So this is nothing but fat arrow function, and what it will do, it will simply set so, and whatever the previous value there, it will change. If my modal is open, then it will close. If it is closed, then it will open. So I will pass this handle click here. And the third thing, I have to create a so and our modal, modal and this modal inside that I will pass some children div hi not hi I am a simple modal. All right, so this is my format document. So looks good to me. So if you read the props, so I have to pass so handle height and the children. So first I will in this modal I will pass show, and inside that show and handle height, uh, I will pass handle click, and the what I will do, anything else, yeah, children. So this is my children, so this line is my children. Now what I will do in the src, I will create a component. First I will create a folder. Inside that folder I will create modal.jsx rafce, and I will import this modal here, and I will write all the props here. So handle height. Uh, now children. So children is the last thing. So this is the my modal. So now I as I told you ki I'm using style component here. So first I will design my modal. So first it will show something like this modal. If I will go not here, here. So this is my modal component. go back, uh, show handle height button. Okay, click me. So if I will click here, so see, uh, some modal is coming here, modal, but not cool. Okay, so const container styled dot div. So what I will do, I will first import the styled. So I have to import styled from styled component. Now, uh, now this is my container, and here I have to write some CSS. I just hate CSS, but I have to write. I have to teach you ki how we can create the modal. So yes, I have to write. So first I will do display flex, align item center, justify content center, and height. I'm going to like inherit from the parent, and width. I'm going to inherit, not inherit, I will give width is 100%. So display flex, align item center, justify content center, and height we will inherit from the parent, and width we are going to give 100%. And what I can give here, I can give position absolute, and I have to write top 0, bottom 0, left 0, and right 0. Instead of writing this thing, I am going to write instead of 0. Okay. Uh, so this is my container, and here I will pass this container control V. So let's see how the modal is coming. So modal is coming right now in the middle. So if I will refresh, click me, then modal is coming in the middle. All right. So now I'm going to so overlay. So we have to create an overlay. So in this overlay, if you read the problem readme.md, so when the model is displayed, it should render the, no, not here, here, have a backdrop that covers the entire viewport. So for this backdrop, what I will do, I will create a overlay, and here also const overlay style.div, and here, so first I will give height is 100%. So I want to take entire height, and width also I want to take complete. Width is also 100%. So this is my height and width, and also here I will give position inherit, sorry, not position, inherit position is going to be absolute, and the inset is going to be 0. And also, so if you see, so if I will give z index is equal to 1, and I will give some background color, maybe background color. So this will RGBA, and I will give some random color, like let's give gray. I will show you how it will look like. So see, my whole screen is now like, so it is coming on the top. So for that, what I will do, I will give Z index 1. So for the content, first I will give some backdrop filter, and here what I will fill backdrop filter. So it is nothing but uh, blur uh, blur to pixel to px. So let's see how it looks like now. Click me. Okay, so I have to give some a good color, RGBA 0.5. So it is kind of some grayish color again. I don't want grayish. I want some black shadow 0. Yep. So if I will click again, click me. What happened? Refresh. Click me. Yeah. See, now this is blur now. Okay. And when again I click on this overlay, so my handle height function will call, and it will make uh, show false. So if I will click anywhere, see, so now the last thing I want my content. Now inside that content, what I will do, I will just use children, and inside the children, uh, so I have to also write CSS for the content, const content styled dot div, oops, styled dot div. So what I will write here, so first of all, what I want some padding, not padding 1 rem. Yeah, it will fine. I just need to give some format document here. Uh, so what? Hmm. So this is my padding. So I will also give some background color of white, and color is going to be black. And so also here I have given z index is 1, so it will show on the top of the overlay. So I will give z index 2, but I will give here 9. We can also give 2, there's no problem. And so if you see here, so see here, I'm a simple model is coming right now. I am a simple model. So what I will do in content, so it is coming very simple way. I don't like it. Like there's some animation we have to give. So for the animation, what I will do, I will create an animation key frames and slide some kind of slide up. So here what I will do, I will write here from uh, from uh, translate translate y, and not translate, transform, we have to translate y, uh, oops, 100%. So this is from to to same thing I have to do, but this time it will become 0%. Control V, and the this is now what I will do here. I will give the animation. So I have to give the name first. Slide up. Duration is going to be 0.3 second. Timing function, delay, iteration count, direction, fill mode. Okay, so what I will do, I will not give any time function here. I don't want to give uh, iteration count. So here I will do iteration count. I also don't want to give, and the direction. So I don't need to give direction and fill mode. I will fill it. So it will ease out, and the direction is going to be forward. So this is what I have to write in animation. Let's see how it's looking now. Click me. So see, looking looking very cool to me. Uh, so when I click outside, if I click on here, then it will not close. If I will write outside, then it will close. So if in app.js here instead of this, I can write h1, then it will, yeah. So I'm a simple modal, and also I need to give some border radius 0.5 rem. I hope it will look good. Yep. So click me. Yeah, looks good to me. Okay, so till now I didn't use any create portal. So let's see how we will show the create portal. So first, also one condition I have to handle. If show is false, then I will return nothing, return null. Okay, now see, click me. I click on outside. Then model is working fine. There's nothing like we have to use create portal and all. But there's some issue. So the issue is this is my div, correct? And if inside it here I will give a style, and here I will give height 200 pixel. Let's suppose that I have given height is 200 pixel. Now I will write C. This is the issue. So what happened here? So it so here I have given height as a inherit. So it is inheriting height from this div. Okay. So because of that, it is taking on the top. So you can see here it is going on the top. So the CSS conflict we have to avoid when we are creating a big project. So for that, what I will do here, same thing I have done, whatever things are here, simply what I will do, I will return a simple component. Instead of this, I can use create portal, and this create portal is coming from the React DOM. And first thing, it will take the GSX, and the second thing, it will take the location in where in which div I want to render. So I will render document dot body. Okay, so in the document dot body here, I want to inject this container. So if I will go again, so again I will click C. I'm getting so if I will show you, if I will click here, reference error, can I refresh? Yeah, there is no error. Now I will right click me and I will inspect. So when I'm inspecting, see, this is my uh, div locator. So I'm using here. So I am using here white app. So you can see here this is a white app. So inside this there's a index.html, and this is our root, correct? So instead of this root, my pop-up is coming somewhere around here. So this is my pop-up. I can give here ID as a pop-up. So what I have done, but here I just injecting here in the body. If you will go here in the document in the body, I'm just injecting here. So I did not give any div. Also, if I will write here a pop-up, so I can give document dot get element by ID and the pop-up pop-up. So again I will click see. I'm getting. So if you see here, this is my root element, and this is my pop-up. So if pop-up is not open, I'm just refreshing. See here, this is my div. Inside this div, there is nothing. But when I click here, click me, see, inside this, I have a div, and inside that div, I have written like whatever thing I have written H1, I am a simple modal. So this is why we use create portal. I hope you understand why we use React portal. But you can also give this thing, or you can give directly document dot body. So you don't need to give anything like this ID. If I will delete this element from here and I will click me, see, it is coming. So is it simple? This is React portal. So this is what we have required. So it is coming in the top of the hierarchy of the DOM. So there is nothing with this root. So I hope you understand everything. Let's see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.